according to my experience, holding your cone from this point from the very beginning, so this will give you more perfection compared with the other points. So those who want to learn bridal mehndi, so for those people you must try, I specially recommend you must try holding your cone from this point, from here. This will give you sharp shape for the different variety of designs. See, I am showing you holding my cone with at this point, and I am giving you some design. Like if you want to draw eye, so this is all about holding your cone from this point. Now if I am holding my cone at this point, then somewhat I am not feeling comfortable with the design that I am going to create. See the result of my experience. So again I am telling you, it depends on you which method with which method of holding you are feeling comfortable. So try holding your cone at different level, first level, second level and third level. So just try holding at different level and just repeat the same design, then you will get your comfortness with the most suitable level. So now currently I am holding my cone like this. So now I am holding at the very third level, last level. This is the first level, second level and this is the third level. So this is the last level that I am going to hold my cone. So somewhat it will be difficult to shape your design perfectly. So somewhat I am not comfortable with holding at this last point. So I prefer holding my mehndi cone from the very first level. So this will give me more perfection compared with the other levels, like this. So you should try with the different cones and with a different level, and according to you should decide for your comfortness. There are no rules to holding henna cone. For holding henna cone, it depends on you and your comfortness for drawing different designs. So once again I am telling you, just try at the different level of your cone. Just try same design with holding your cone at different level, then you will realize with which level you are feeling more comfortable for drawing the same design. So once again, thank you for watching, and once again, this tutorial I have shared for the very beginners. So thank you.